Hey, what's going on? Adam here from Well Woven, and wanted to shoot a quick video looking at outdoor rugs. Since we're in the season, I'm really zoomed up here looking at the construction, but wanted to just share some cool weave structures that I'm looking at the moment. As you can see in front of us, we have a, you could say sort of like a tribal pattern, natural sort of beige, natural jute tone backing with like a black all over print. Just zooming up on this to see how the pattern was made, and you can see here in the sisal construction, the yarn loops around the wefts or the shots of the rug. So it looks like this black yarn is going around maybe 1, 2, 3, maybe 5 shots. It's hard to see from the photo exactly, but it gives you an idea how the yarn loops around. Here you can see in the inner pattern, it loops around about 3 shots. And then these other here like 2, and maybe this is even, yeah, it looks like 2. This is even maybe 1 shot, the black is looped around. So it's kind of cool how the pattern can be made with just on a flat woven basis. So well, basically looping around the weft of the rug, kind of cool. Just wanted to share this. So when you look up close, you see these sort of details, but when we zoom out on a 5x7 size, you can kind of see this nice all over print. The pattern itself and the weave structure creates some imperfections, so it gives it an organic, almost a handmade or a nice woven look and texture and feel. This is, yeah, one example, kind of cool. This is from our Milo collection. This is an indoor outdoor rug, about 1.3 kilograms per square meter. So definitely recommend checking this one out. Thank you for watching this video, and see you on the next one. Appreciate it.